Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to sync and pair a new controller to your Xbox Series X. Now this could be an Xbox One controller or it could be like an Xbox Series X controller or something like that. But what you want to do is go to the front of your controller and then tilt it up just like this. And there's going to be a small sync button right here we want to hold down. So if we hold this down for about 4 seconds, the light is going to begin to blink and then let go. Now, if you hold it down too long, that is going to reset the controller and that's going to disconnect it from your Xbox. So just hold it down for like 3 or 4 seconds until this light is blinking. Now, what you want to do is go to the front of your Xbox Series X. And if it's still not connected, you want to go ahead and hold down the sync button on the front of the console. So you can see this light's not blinking. Then we can go to the USB port. Right above that is another button. And we want to hold that button down at the same time we're holding down the button on the controller. So let's hold it down for about 4 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let go. And the two lights should now be in sync. And they are no longer blinking. So my controller is now connected. Now if you are experiencing difficulty connecting it via the Bluetooth or the sync method, use a USB cable and plug it into the front of the Xbox. So I'm going to move my controller out of the way, and then plug this end in, plug the other end into my controller, then press the Xbox button, and my controller should now be synced and paired to my console. Then we can remove the USB cable, and we should be connected wirelessly now, so we no longer need the cable. But hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you sync up a new controller to your Xbox Series X. Did? Leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.